In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Loom video comments. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Loom to disable comments on a specific video, which is helpful when you want viewers to focus on the content itself or you're sharing a finalized deliverable that doesn't need discussion. Start by opening Loom in your browser and heading to your home area, which typically loads to the For You page. This is the main hub you see when you arrive in Loom, and from here you can quickly jump to your content. Next, move into your library. You'll find library in the navigation within Loom. It's where all your recordings live, including folders and any videos you've created or have access to. Opening the library view makes it easier to pick the exact video you want to adjust. Now, select the video you want to change. Click directly on the video's thumbnail or title to open its dedicated page. You should see the video player along with options for sharing and configuring how the video behaves for viewers. With the video open, look for Settings. This is where Loom keeps most of the controls that affect how your audience can interact with the video. Click into Settings to open the panel. Inside Settings, switch to the Audience section. Audience controls focus on what people can do when they watch, and this is where the commenting option is managed. Find the Comments toggle and turn it off. When you flip this switch, viewers will no longer be able to add comments on that video, and the comment box will be hidden for them. This change applies to the specific video you're editing, so it won't affect your other recordings. If you ever want to collect feedback again, you can return here and turn the toggle back on at any time. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If your screen is narrow, some options might be tucked behind a menu, so try widening your window if you don't immediately see Settings or Audience. After turning off comments, consider playing the video's share link in a private or incognito window to confirm the viewer experience looks right. And remember, disabling comments is great for final reports, client deliverables, or public shares where you want a clean, distraction-free watch. That's all there is to it. Open Loom, go to your library, choose the video, head into Settings, open Audience, and turn off the comments toggle. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a comment-free viewing experience.